Instagram's new app Threads has finally surfaced. This app is directly integrated with Instagram and is said to be a Twitter cop-out, but is it really? What are the new features of Threads and how do they differ from Twitter, and what can you expect as a creator? I'm one of the few creators that was invited for early access, so I'm getting an exclusive inside look into how the app actually works. I've been reading all about the app, testing it out, and trying different growth strategies so that I can give you guys the best advice to get the jump on this brand new platform. Here's a couple of the key differences. As of right now, this app basically only consists of celebrities and Instagram/Meta employees. So I'm sitting here analyzing and getting the inside scoop for you guys. And here's what I found so far. The head of Instagram has an account on Threads and has made a thread stating, "We're committed to building support for ActivityPub, the protocol behind Mastodon, into this app. We weren't able to finish it for launch given a number of complications that came along with a decentralized network, but it's coming. If you're wondering why this matters, here's a reason. You may one day end up leaving Threads, or hopefully not, or we end up deplatformed. If that ever happens, you should be able to take your audience with you to another server." And right now, Threads is filled with tweets just like this. Except for they're not tweets, they're threads. So from now on, I'm gonna refer to the tweet style as a thread. Threads has announced that their goal is to create a safe and easy to use and reliable platform for creators that's run by sane people. They said that they've listened to the public and they want to create a safe place for creators to create. They also stated that they want this to be a stable home for creators to grow and build an audience. Here's some of the key differences between Twitter and Threads. Threads actually allows more than 500 characters. As of right now, once you create a thread, you can't edit or delete it, but I presume that will change in the future. Another really cool thing is because Threads is integrated into Instagram, if you have a verified check mark, it does carry over onto your Threads account, as well as your bio, your profile, and all of the people that you follow. You can also add a link in bio, just the same as Twitter. As of right now, there's no feature that allows GIFs, but you can upload pictures and video, and from what I've seen, the video quality is much better on Thread than it's ever been on Twitter. Another key difference, which I absolutely love about Threads, is that it doesn't show who you're following or how many people you're following. Obviously, again, this might change in the future, but it really takes away that feeling, that need to have a higher follow to following ratio, and just allows you to follow creators and accounts that you love and enjoy without that pressure of the follow to following ratio, which actually goes in line with creating a safe and reliable community and a safe space for creators to grow. The last key difference I see between Twitter and Threads is that Twitter gives you all of the analytics. There's like a beta studio that you can go into with Twitter. You can look into the analytics. You can see how many people saw your video, how many people liked it, the comments, everything. On Threads, all you can see is likes and comments. Threads also doesn't have monetization yet, whereas Twitter does, but actually my Twitter monetization has been messed up for so long now, and I'm not even monetized on Twitter because something is wrong within their system and they told me that they don't know how to fix it, that it's a bug. Because there's not many users on the app, I tried searching for trending topics and it says no results found no matter what I search. I presume this will change in the future as well. I didn't really notice a difference between the engagement of my threads that used hashtags versus didn't, but again, I presume that will change in the future. Upon downloading the app, you can tell that Threads or Instagram put a lot of thought into the look and the aesthetic of the app. For instance, the refresh icon is absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of obsessed with it. And you can just see small details within the app that make you really, really enjoy using it. It's got cute little like threads in between each comment. And I just think that aesthetically, they did a really beautiful job with the app. Now, I know a lot of you guys follow me for growth tips and tricks. So I want to give you guys a couple growth tips and tricks that I've been testing out and trying on my end, and what's working and what's not. I've uploaded a lot of different styles of content, and I've also been studying other people's content and what's doing well. Obviously, this might change as there's more users on the platform, but so far what I've noticed is that, same as Twitter, the best way to grow on this platform is to interact with people. So through my own test trials, I've noticed that videos do well, but not as well as photos on this app. Uploading photos with meme style text or just regular text tends to do the best on this platform. Not only have I seen this on my own Threads account from what I've been posting, but also from other people and what they've been posting. This really is an app that's built on community, and it requires you to actively engage with what other people are saying or posting in order to grow. It's not like TikTok, it's not like Reels, it's not like Facebook where you can just upload your post into a group and get tons of likes and engagement. You really have to be active on this platform in order to grow, unless you already have some sort of clout that you're pulling in from somewhere else. Obviously, this app is brand new. It's not even open to the public yet, so these things are subject to change. But my biggest advice, and it's gonna help you skyrocket as this new platform starts to become popular, is to get on it and start interacting with other people. When the app releases to the public, you should be one of the first people to download it. Start following people, start commenting, start engaging, and start posting meme-style content along with text. This is going to give you the best chance to get traction, to get eyes on your content, and to start growing. And I'm going to start doing this, but you don't have to, I'm going to start being one of the first people to use hashtags, because nobody on this app is using hashtags. So imagine hashtags become a thing and now your stuff is pushed to the top of that hashtag. I really feel like this is an amazing opportunity for growth, and if you haven't thought about it yet and you haven't thought about your strategy before you get access to Threads, you should be sitting here strategizing, thinking about what you can post, how you can interact with people, and how much time a day you want to spend growing this profile, because I do think it's going to be an influential and important one to have. So I'm really looking forward to Threads actually having the ability for monetization, and I hope that they integrate that soon. So there you have it, guys. That's Threads. I hope that you enjoy the app along with me. When it drops, make sure you download the app and hit the follow button. Obviously, there's no following to follower ratio, so you can follow whoever you want guilt-free. And I would appreciate the follow. I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can here on my YouTube as well, but make sure you go to threads.net/@AvoriStrib.